Hello everybody and welcome back to Jaltest VLOGs. Today we're going to see how to connect to the box via Bluetooth instead of hardwired through the USB cable. So the first thing we're going to have to do is connect our box, the Jaltest interface link, with the computer via Bluetooth. So for that, we're going to go to the question mark, we're going to press on our FAQs, and once we get the file, we're going to look for Bluetooth. Okay, so that's going to be here 2.2. What is a Bluetooth pairing code? When I link it to my computer, it's going to ask me for a password. So that's what we're looking for. And here we have it. The default Bluetooth code is 1234. Okay, so once you have that, you only have to do it one time and you'll have your box identified by the PC. Once this is done, we're going to go to our preferences button. We're going to click on here, go to Jaltest link and see our connection. So here it tells you select communication mode. If we go to USB and run the connection test, then it's going to give us the voltage of the connection test. All right, so here's I have it on demo USB. We want to switch it up, we have to go here to Bluetooth. It says the communication channel is about to be changed and it is mandatory to reboot the interface. What does this mean? If you're connected to the truck, that means you have to take it away from any power source. Make sure none of the LED lights that you have on the interface box are flashing, especially the power one. So no power, no USB. If you don't do this, then it won't link. So this will be the example. Right now, I haven't disconnected it, and we're gonna see how the connection goes in process. Since my box was still connected to the power and I didn't follow the instructions, I'm getting a 007. That means it's not getting any power and it's not getting any communication. You have the option with the question mark on troubleshooting that code and then continue. In this case, we know what the problem is, that we didn't disconnect it from the battery source. So in this case from the USB, that's something that I'm doing right now. And what we'll do again is launch the connection test after having processed the disconnection. And after a few seconds, here we see how now via Bluetooth and after doing the connection test, we get the actual voltage from the truck. So we followed the steps and now we're not necessarily connected through USB, but through Bluetooth. So we're capable of working at a distance without being hardwired. Okay, and that's basically the process on how to go through Bluetooth. Thank you for joining us and see you in the future vlogs.